Covering Wisconsin weather for 20 years, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Well, for some of us, today was the third straight day with highs in the 70s. Tomorrow will not be the fourth. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We are going to cool back down, upper 50s to around 60. Cooler, but still above normal. Mid-50s on Friday. We'll see upper 50s on Saturday, and then mid-50s as we move into Sunday and Monday. So obviously the big weather story today was the warm air. In fact, many spots this afternoon running 10 to 15 degrees warmer compared to what we saw yesterday, and that translated into highs that were mainly in the 70s. 73 degrees in Wapaka and Shawano. We had 71 in Oshkosh. The high temperature in Manitowoc was also 71 degrees. And this is the time of year that we typically say, see ya 70s, because November is only 11 days away. Here's a look at the final 70 of the year for the last 5 years. And as you can see, 4 of the last 5 years, we had already had our final 70 by this point. So yeah, it is possible that we saw our final 70-degree reading until next year. We'll just have to wait and see as we head into November. Now, we did see temperatures that are in the 70s. Right now, we're looking at mainly 60s to around 70, so it has dropped off a little bit, but it's still very mild out there. 68 degrees in Kewaunee. We've got 67 in Fond du Lac. In Appleton, it is 64 degrees. In Green Bay, it is 66. The sun set about 13 minutes ago, which means it set at 5:59. And that is the first sunset before 6 o'clock since March 7th. We are still losing about 2 to 4 minutes of daylight each and every day. Here's a look at precision radar showing that we had a mixture of sun, clouds, and some rain across northeast Wisconsin earlier today. We had some thunderstorms actually north and west of Green Bay during the mid-morning. Many of us awoke to some thunder and lightning around midnight last night, give or take an hour or so. Right now we are looking at dry conditions across the Badger State. We've got a cold front that is making its way through the region, but once again it's just going to quietly slip through here as we head through the next, let's say 3 to 6 hours. Behind it, high pressure is building in, and that'll be our main weather maker for tomorrow. Now behind the cold front, some cooler weather is now pushing in from Canada. 43 degrees in International Falls this afternoon. No, we're not going to be that cool, but we will see these 50s and 60s work in for tomorrow. So as I mentioned earlier, it's going to be cooler, but temperatures are actually going to be about 5 to 7 degrees above normal for this time of year, even with that cool down. Look for 56 degrees in Mountain tomorrow, 56 in Kewaunee. We can expect 61 degrees in Fond du Lac. Precision Cast shows a lot of high clouds across the area during the next several hours and then clearing out towards daybreak. As high pressure builds in for tomorrow, we will see mainly sunny skies. So your forecast for tonight does call for clearing skies. Lows will be in the lower 40s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and pleasant. Look for a high in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Friday, thickening clouds during the morning and then showers transitioning to a widespread rain as we head into Friday evening. That'll continue into Saturday morning with slow clearing by Saturday afternoon. We'll see a mixture of sunshine and clouds on Sunday. Temperatures will be seasonable, mainly in the mid-50s. Thickening clouds on Monday, and then a bigger storm rolls our way for next Tuesday and Wednesday. And this looks to be a pretty big system, like a system that produces all types of crazy weather with rain, thunderstorms on the front side, and maybe some snow on the back side of it and gusty winds. It's still a week away. We've got plenty of time to watch it.
All right, it could change. We know that.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
All right, thanks, Cameron. It's the largest gathering of Catholics in northeast Wisconsin. How the